work. See me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me better work, 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 work. When you walk a la 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 la, when you get up in my da 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 da. Find me, I deserve it. Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. So me better work, work, work. To me, I be work, 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 work. So me better work, work. To me, work, to me, I be work, work. To me, work, so me better work, work. To me, work, to me, I be work, work. To me, you see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Do me dirt, 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 dirt. Do me dirt, 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 dirt. Do me dirt, dirt, do me dirt, dirt. Do me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Do me dirt, 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 dirt. Do me dirt, 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 dirt. Do me dirt, 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 dirt. Do me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Do me dirt, 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 dirt. Do me dirt, 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 dirt. Do me dirt, 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 dirt.
Okay, you need to get done, 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 done. That work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. No distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. When you at twin, I'm still choose you. Tune up. Work.
Work, 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 work. See me work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 do me dirt, 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 dirt. Work. See me do me dirt, 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 do me dirt, 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 dirt.
Get done, get
Nothing to be lurking.
get done, get done, get done,
Work, 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 work.
get done, get done.
I'm in the cabin.
DJ Flex.
Get ready.
Let me see you. So this is the last night in Thailand. I probably didn't vlog as much as I should have, but I was enjoying myself way too much to like, I'll be walking and I'm like, why am I not vlogging? Like I missed all the good shit basically, but I did get some stuff. But here's my outfit of the night. Yes, my lighting here is shit. But we get to play. Y'all, I like hot food. I'm playing hot, I don't want it. And in Thailand, everything's supposed to be hot. It's like Thai food is known for being hot. Why they got my hot stuff on the side? Like, now my asshole gonna burn. I shouldn't have did that. Trying to be funny on the live. I mean, for the vlog. But yeah, we gonna see that stuff. They got the peanuts. They cheated me.
Like 6 days, gold bottles, soul models, still ace on my 6 J's. So also my bitch be made. Just might let you be gay. Shot town, B Rose, moving next, BK. Also my money from behind me. That shit great. That shit great. That shit great. Also my
we had to come back because we had to re-up on our money. So we're gonna do some dares tonight. So what's the rules, Saj?
Okay, the rules of the dare is basically if you don't do your dare, you have to take 3 shots.
Three?
If it's not hangover, it's not.
She's trying to make me die. And she's trying to wake up at 6 something in the morning to go take pictures. But you gonna be at the beach like we in Texas tomorrow.
So that means you have to do the dare.
Yeah.
Like, why wouldn't you do the dare? Like,
yeah, why wouldn't you do the dare?
It's not gonna be anything to disrespect a significant other.
Why wouldn't you?
It's not gonna be anything to disrespect yourself.
So, okay.
Dares.
Yeah. I gotta think of some good ones. I don't fucking know.
First dare is to hug 3 white men, and I'm gonna make it to where she has to hug 3 Italian white men.
You don't ain't gonna know if they Italian.
You gotta ask.
No, I'm hugging 3 white
you
men.
gotta give
They
conversation.
all from Italian. I mean, they all from Europe. Bitch, fuck that. Talk about our fucking room, cause we on vacation. We can have makeup like this. We look like Bad Girls Club. So my dare is you have to touch 3 girls' booties.
Why I gotta be gay?
The Asian, what's their name? Ooh, Thai ladies, they might like it. You could do a slick like. I'm sorry. Okay, so that's our first dares. We're letting our phone charge up for a little bit, and then we need to get some more alcohol.
All right, she's doing her dare. He's from London. Number 2. Woo!
Shape for the boys on the freaker. Brother the boy city, doing the most. If I look at his friend, he be gripping the toast. So I took him to the crib to kill him with it. Hey. On my head, I hate the ceiling with it. When I put it in his mouth, I couldn't believe it.
I am drunk as fuck. She's not the only one. Hey, we're drunk as fuck. Hey, my glove. I glove. I glove. Where you from?
Listening to Eve.
You're from Africa.
Africa.
Africa. The motherland.
Cradle of humanity.
Y'all, I am drunk. My wig is slipping. Which way is
Hot as fuck. Oh, going down the steps. Make me seem like I don't know how to walk.
I'm drunk. We drunk.
Drunk as fuck.
I'm ready. I got a pee-pee. Real bad.
I got a sleep.
Sleep.
Real bad.
Y'all, we are lit
I want
tonight.
to shower.
Yeah, it's hot. I'm sweating.
It's so sweaty.
I gotta go.
Let me see.
We didn't finish our dare. We didn't finish the dare, y'all.
We didn't. Oh, you still got time. You still got time. You only got one more. I gotta smack a few booties. Hey! There's one. Excuse me. Where are you from?
Africa.
You're from Africa?
Yeah, South Africa, Durban.
Where are you from?
My friend is from
You're lying.
No, I'm from South Africa,
He said
Durban.
my friend. He said I'm taking you. Can't talk to me.
I don't want to talk to you. I just was asking where you were from.
Let's go.
South Africa, Durban.
We're just trying to get the dare done and they want to get smart. Look, I will smack them down. Where are you from?
You crazy, man.
Me, I'm from Belgium.
Belgium?
Belgium.
Wow. America.
United States.
Yeah. You been there before? No.
I just want to go there.
You wanna go? No.
Because I'm Trump.
You're right. Man, that's crazy. That's crazy.
You hear why he don't want to go to America? Why, Tia? Why don't he want to go?
Trump and we
I'm not 6'2". I'm 5'8". Shit. That guy back there, he said she's like 6'2". I'm only 5'8". I promise. I need need a smack of fruit beauties.
Come on. Need somebody. Come on, do it. Them girls up there. Come on, walk back.
You're also from
Where you from? Thank you. Like really beautiful. Thank you. How about you guys?
And work, bitch, work, and work. Hey, okay, you better, bitch, you better. You about to get up, bitch, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. We good.
I'm okay.
Easy.
I already scraped.
Where they at though? I don't see them.
And Tia didn't help me. It hurt. I got escalator burn.
I don't want to go to sleep. Oh my God, today was good.
We can go to the beach right now.
Bitch, let me go pee first, so.
Oh, I'm sweating.
You wanna go to the
I'm
beach?
gonna put on my bathing suit and go to the beach.
Let's go.
Might as well.
It's our last night. We're lit on the blood.
We're
Don't fall over the balcony,
It's
bitch.
this way. Look, we lit. What is that? Pork
That's
kill?
gang. That's a. I'm a Red Bull and I like.
We're
a chicken.
lit.
I like a chicken. I like
Open up the fucking door, Tia.
Bitch, I gotta find the key. Hold on, you find the key then.
Okay.
Bitch, ain't no
I'll
light.
find the key.
Hold on, let me put them. I
got
got the key. The key. I got the key. She got the key. Bitch, I got the key, ho. I got the key. Oh, not on the Gucci, bitch.
I need the key to turn on the light.
Oh, I gotta pee so bad.
Hurry up and pee for you peeing yourself. That'll be embarrassing on your vlog.
Yo, we are lit. Bitches.
Ow.
He's trying to get us drunk. He don't
I
want
hurt myself.
We got the key. We got the key.
I got the key.
Hey.
Where's my charger, bro?
You took it, right? You took it with you because you had your portable charger, remember?
Fuck, I know I got scraped so much.
Okay, we'll be back when we go to the beach. She fell asleep on me. Slump cam. I'm next though. Good night. It's been lit, Thailand. It's a very sad day, y'all. We are packing to go. Like, all that mess we had last night is gone. Last night was mad fucking real. But we still got till 11 o'clock tonight, so let's see. 11:30, I think he's coming. 11:30. Yep, 23:30. We've come to the end of the road, still I can't let go. It's unnatural. You belong, Thailand. I belong to you. Y'all, we don't want to leave. Fucking sad. They're making us check it out early. I was just not focusing. I'm sad. You see my panties? Oops. But yeah, outfit of the day today. Turn around, so. And slay, yes. But yeah, we're about to go. Well, not about to go. It's early still. We got the whole day. We don't leave till 4 in the morning, so we're really checking out our hotel. We're about to go sightseeing, buy some souvenirs, and yeah. Bye bye. Y'all, we are at the Tiger Kingdom. Where we go?
Please leave him. We'll beg in camera. Crowd outside. Please ensure that the flash is turned off.
I'm recording. Where you at, right?
Oh.
It's down.
Gotta be firm. Firm.
No, on the floor, yeah. Video?
Yes. This is so weird.
ตัวเล็กๆก็เป็ดแดงนะโอ้น้ำมาดิกินเละเฟิร์มดิว้าวเซ็กซี่อ่ะ
We can't be sexy.
เซ็กซี่โป้
Sexy mama.
Oh, God. I'm trying to get a good one, but I know my poses ain't cute.
แล้วก็ซุปเปอร์โมเดลอ่ะโยปุ้งไว้นี่นี่ไทเกอร์two hand
Mom.
ก็ป่วยปานดีว่าคนโยเล็กกินน้ำเล็กไทเกอร์ทุกคนรู้ไหมนะทูแฮนเจ้าฟูลแฮนเฮฟวี่คนหนึ่งเจ้ากันนั้นฮัลโหลเป็นคนฮัลโหลเดลลิงโอเคหนุ่มขึ้นแล้ว
That was so awkward. I know I do. That's how I felt.
Together?
Yes.
Get that selfie, girl, for the vlog. Yes, work, and work. Y'all, we are in some cages, but I cannot believe this. This is so surreal right now. Look at him.
Hey.
You got him jump in?
Yeah.
Oh, you vlogging, snapping.
Tia with the baby tiger. Why is the baby?
We just touched a fucking tiger, like, for real, like in real life. Now I want a tiger tattoo, like, what the fuck? Tattoos later, run away to tattoos. Ah! We have to go to Hard Rock later.
Work. See me have you work. You see me do me dirt. So me better work. When you walk hard, make me care. Join me, I deserve. Work. So me have you work. So me better work. So me have you work. So me better work. So me have you work. So me better work. So me have you work. You see me do me dirt.
Down by the river,
So guys, we are the native. Taking us to Food Street so we can have some real pad thai. So I'm excited. Hopefully it's spicy. Yeah, I'm going to see my outfit today.
These are ready made food.
Ooh. Y'all, this is not the end. What did we say? This is just the beginning of better and like
Waiting for greater things to happen.
yeah, like this is just like a little, we got our feet wet. This is the life I want to live on a like everyday basis. It's like taking trips, calling my girls up, like, so what we doing? I feel so
Where are we
grown.
meeting? What part of the
Yeah,
world
so
are
where we going this time? Where we going this year? I feel like we should do an annual trip every year to a different place, like every year. But I mean, Phuket's gonna be hard to beat. I'm not gonna lie. Like, so the thing is, I didn't even expect it to be this good. Honestly, I just like Thai food, so I wanted to come, and then I came and
Slaved your life.
you can't see me, but I mean, but yeah. So I came and it just changed my whole outlook on life, and I'm definitely gonna make a video about that, like how Thailand changed me into a different person and a different outlook on life. Like this big world we live in, don't be so stagnant in the place that you are, where you're doing. Don't be so comfortable. Step outside your box, jump into the water, do something crazy that you never did before, because literally, fuck Drake, you only live once, seriously. So why not live your life to the fullest, because you never know when your last day is gonna be. So only thing when you leave this earth, what you have, all that money and all that, it's not gonna matter, it's your memory. So save that money
and travel. Save that money and go see something. Like, don't get stuck in this.
This world is a freaking place to see. The world is your home. Make it your home. Go see everything. Do not stop and stay comfortable in your bed. Get out of your bed and see everything that this world has to offer because it is yours.
Yes, it's like so much to see. So much to see, and we have our lifetime to do it. So it's never too young to start. It's never too old to start. Like, just don't be so stuck in wherever you, Covington, Georgia, or Louisville, Kentucky. Get out and see something. Don't be, have something to tell your kids if you have kids. You know, I want to see this, I want to see that. Y'all should, we should go too, or we're gonna go too. You know, so you know, strive for a better life.
Africa next.
Shit, hell yeah, it's gonna be beautiful.
Yeah.
To the motherland we go. Alright guys, but we want to thank you guys for watching this vlog, putting up with our ratchetness, ghetto-ness, whatever y'all want to call me in this vlog today. But we definitely had the time of our life, and we will be back again. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.